Good evening, folks, and a hearty welcome to our drive-in theater. We have a wonderful evening's entertainment lined up for you, one that will provide several hours of pleasurable relaxation and diversion for you and your family. Did you fail to dress up for tonight's show? No tie, an old shirt and slacks, a house dress? Well, don't give it a thought. We're glad you came as you are. We just want you to enjoy yourselves. Don't forget to visit our refreshment center during the intermission or any time. You love the tasty array of snacks we have to offer. So will the youngsters. Everything is quality and so good. We hope you'll make this a weekly visit. Bring the family. Bring your friends. There are always wonderful new pictures to see, delightful snacks to nibble. A gay, pleasant evening for all. Oh, a word of caution. Don't drive over 10 miles an hour in the theater area for your safety's sake. And Mom or Pop, go with the kids when they leave the car. We hope you have a wonderful time. Come back soon.
I'll bet you're wondering how I, Snagglepuss, ever got this job, balancing a bowl of Kellogg's Cocoa Krispies. Well, it started at the top, the big top. Oops, but I was a flop. Then I was in films, roar even. But I was censored. Then the Kellogg people discovered my balancing talents and my love of Cocoa Krispies, which tastes like a chocolate milkshake on a crunchy. Cucalossal out of a bowl with milk on them. Cucalossal out of the box with nothing on them even. So here I am, balancing a bowl of Cocoa Krispies on my pinky. I hardly ever drop them, hardly. Ever? Well, you can't win them all. But you'll win my thanks if you try Cocoa Krispies. But don't try balancing them. It's messy, and it's not neat, neither. This is a California Raisin Ranch, and this is a Kellogg's Raisin Bran Raisin Rancher. Sir, could you tell us why the raisins in Kellogg's Raisin Bran are the sweetest? Like, you want to take notes or something? Why, yes. Okay, here they are. California style. Rich, ripe raisins grown in California, son. Make Kellogg's Raisin Bran the Ray Sunniest one. Ray Sunniest? Yeah, very sweet. Yeah. Grown in California, son. Kellogg's Raisin Bran, that's the one. Thank you, sir. There's one more verse. Kellogg's Golden Toasted Bran is flavored and flaked as only Kellogg's can. With those raisins? Yeah, Golden Bran. Wow! Raisin Bran sure is fun. It's full of California. One more time! The Lucy Show, starring Lucille Ball. Co-starring Vivian Vance. Brought to you by Jello Gelatin, a light dessert with new fresh fruit taste. From General Foods. Hello, I'm Mr. Ed. Tonight presented by your Studebaker dealer and Studebaker Corporation, maker of America's new advance in automobiles, the Avanti, Lark, Cruiser, Hawk. For you and me, it's a swinging and wagon and love and me. We've never seen any winter with the luck. They call the wagon like never before. The road like open in a flash. The kiss that breeze, 'cause the sky's the limit in this Wagonaire. The Wagonaire, the car that makes other station wagons obsolete, with Studebaker features that you want to see. The ladies will love the exclusive beauty vanity, complete with mirror. And you can have your Wagonaire equipped with caliper disc brakes. At higher speeds, they stop your car in about half the distance of conventional brakes. And Studebaker is the first American car maker to offer them. Fold the rear-facing seat away, slide the roof forward, open up a whole new world. And you can load as never before. Lark Daytona Wagonaire, a totally new concept from Studebaker.
a roomy sedan, a business or family carry-on.
If the wagon there is full of outlets, it's got more zip, it's got more class. The fun car that's beyond compare. The light Daytona Wagonaire.
If you're thinking of buying a new car, visit your Studebaker dealer. See the many exclusive features of tomorrow. Yours from the advanced thinking of Studebaker. Mr. Ed was presented by your Studebaker dealer. Headquarters for Avanti, Lark Daytona, Cruiser, Hawk, all from the advanced thinking of Studebaker. There's a new pioneer spirit in America today, the spirit of conservation. It's people realizing there's just not as much energy as we're used to having. And we can help keep factories working and paychecks coming in and America going strong if we just drive a little slower and heat our homes and businesses a little less. If everybody dials down 6 degrees at home and slows down on the highways, it'll conserve enough fuel to provide energy for more than 1 million American jobs. And that's vital to all of us. Chemical oil is doing all they can to get more energy to us. But until the shortage eases, it's up to all of us to make what there is go further. There's a shortage of energy, but not of the American spirit. Keep your spirit up. The spirit of conservation for the sake of America. Ollie's Angels will return in a moment. A former beauty title holder, she creates beauty of her own on canvas. And as an accomplished artist and sculptress, she hopes to open her own gallery. She's from Corpus Christi, Texas. Finds relaxation in many outdoor sports. We're delighted to welcome to the dating game, Farrah Fawcett. Hello, Farrah. How are you? Nice to see you.
Good evening. Welcome to Universal Studios, where you learn Hollywood secrets. The secrets of the $6 million man and the bionic woman on the Universal Studios tour.
Lasers ready.
The Battle of Galactica has begun. Where are the humans?
They are on the Universal Studios tour at the collapsing bridge and suspect nothing.
We will capture them.
In the doomed glacier expedition.
We will torture them.
At the shock.
We will annihilate them.
They are here.
The Battle of Galactica has begun. At the Universal Studios tour.
Get ready for a new look to ABC's All-Star Saturday. Starting with that cool cat, the Pink Panther. And Babyface. Then it's the new 90-minute challenge of the Super Friends. Followed by everybody's favorite, Scooby's All-Stars, starting Saturday. Tuesday on CBS, and we got a night for you.
There's a thin line between love and hate.
Lord,
And you're erasing it.
Hawaii Five-0. The new CBS Tuesday night movies. Every week, a new motion picture produced especially for television. Tuesday nights, this fall, on CBS. I'm James Arness.
In the next 30 minutes, you're going to meet a remarkable group of Americans. Members of the United States Army Special Forces on duty in South Vietnam. The Republic of Vietnam, on the eastern edge of the Indochina Peninsula, is about as far from home as an American can be while still on Earth. When it's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Saigon, it's 7 o'clock the previous night in New York City. Army Special Forces were sent to Vietnam because they're experts. Specialists in training men to fight a special kind of war. It's a dirty war. Fought without uniforms on a battlefield without boundaries.
Hello, I'm Harry Reisner.
And I'm Barbara Walters.
For news that is about you and for you. For news that is continuously on the scene with complete film reports.
For news that is a product of hard work with objective and comprehensive reporting. It's Eyewitness News here on Channel 13, weeknights at 6 and 11. With Dick Burt, Don Alhart, and the Eyewitness News team.
Then
join us at 6:30 for ABC Evening News. For what's happening around the world and at home, there's only one place to be, here on Channel 13.
I was quite prepared to not become a Scarlet Woman, but never marry again.
Barbara Walters, with Elizabeth Taylor and her new husband, the Shah of Iran and his family, and Congresswoman Barbara Jordan on the Barbara Walters Special. Tomorrow at 10, 9 Central and Mountain on ABC.
Early Sunday night on most of these stations.
My mother was a terrific cook. Me, I'm a working wife. When my husband comes home and says, "Where's dinner?" I say, "I don't know. Where'd you leave it?" I mean, face it, I'm not a good cook, okay? I serve ketchup for a vegetable. Oh, thank you. That's why I come here to Big Boy for dinner. Big Boy is America's biggest family of full-service restaurants, and no wonder. The food here is so fresh and good. And what a selection. Everything for breakfast. Delicious choices for lunch and dinner. Terrific desserts like fresh strawberry pie. Good food, great selection. All at such reasonable prices. All cooked up fresh, the way Mother would have wanted it. I get served so nicely with silverware and real dishes. Oh, thank you, Adrian. You're gonna love Big Boy. We borrowed some lunch ideas from your mother. So if you're a working wife like me, the three little words you want to hear most from your husband are not, "I love you," but "let's eat out" at Big Boy.
ABC, the one you turn to for all your comedy favorites, is still the one.
Talk about sport.
With the premiere of Red Fox. Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. With special guests, Rita Coolidge and Mr. Stufferson, and that wild and crazy guy, Steve Martin, in a fun-filled all-star holiday special. Wednesday, starting at 8, 7 Central and Friday on Shirley.
He's been having an affair with Ben D'Angelo.
A new man enters Shirley's life, but for Debbie, nobody can replace her dad.
Nobody else even comes close.
Then, on a special 2-hour Rockford Files, Jim's in love, and his new lady is beautiful, blind,
She's defenseless.
and the target of a psychopath
I find it hard to believe it is one of my patients.
who's out to kill the doctor unless Jim reaches her first.
Don't, wait.
The Rockford Files, right after Shirley, Friday on NBC. Our national anthem.